Alright, so I'm going to go for 2 tonight. This is a Bellock. You can see here the key. These were used for a while to secure parking meters and things like that. Maybe vending machines and such. Not exactly sure what all the applications were, but there you go. See the key works. It's 3 sliders on each side, and they are bitted differently, so the key only goes in one way. I'm going to tension by holding the tail piece. I'm going to tension that way. Okay, just got a little turn on the core. There we go. She's open. And I will take it apart real quick and show you what's in there. You can see it is picked. Now the way it's designed, it's got a, well, I'll just open it up and show you, as opposed to blabbering on about it. So. Just slide it right out of there. And here's what you've got. You got 3 sliders on one side, 3 sliders on the other side. When you insert the key, that's the correct orientation of the key. As you can see, if you orient the key the other way, it will still prevent you from opening the lock. Everything's sticking out a little bit. But just trying to knock out some of these locks that are on loan to me. So that's 2. It doesn't look like much, but it doesn't look very intimidating. But it's actually a pretty tough little pick. Surprisingly, there's not a lot of room to work in that keyway, and the sliders are all spring loaded. As you can see, they all bounce back into their extended positions. And so as you're picking it, I don't know if these come out. No, they don't come out. So as you're picking it, if you don't get it picked right, these sliders all spring back to their original position, and it can be a big old pain in the butt to try and pick this thing. So but there you go. Bellock cam lock, picked and opened up to see everything's in there, and there we go. That's what you got. Alright guys, thank you for watching another one of my long boring videos. Hope you have a wonderful night.